Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 5 of the Cougar Connection. This week, our student spotlight is Laura Ann Pettit. Laura Ann is an 8th grade student here at Simons Middle School and a member of the Blue Barracuda team. This year, she competed at the Kentucky State Fair in multiple divisions. She was the Maintainer Steer class winner and the Reserve Overall Maintainer Steer. These accomplishments qualified her for the Championship Drive division. She was also Division II Championship Steer Showman and 3rd Overall Heifer Showmanship winner. And she was also second in class with her heifer. Laura Ann also showcased her country ham at the 4-H country ham show there, and she received a blue ribbon for that. She has worked tirelessly all year, and she is very dedicated to 4-H and to her livestock. So we want to congratulate you, Laura Ann, and we want to thank you for demonstrating the Can Will Must attitude. We also can't wait to see some of the other things that you accomplished this year. I know you've got some upcoming events. Apparently, she is also going to be part of the 4-H show and sale, which is coming up really soon, and she's going to compete in the Kentucky Cattlemen's Fall Classic in October and the North American in November. So we can't wait to see what you've got coming up, Laura Ann, and congratulations. We want to take just a minute and spotlight Christina Johnson for our staff spotlight for this week. Christina is our FMD teacher here this year at SMS. She's a new face. And the day after I got Christina's paperwork completed and she was hired, she was in the building painting. So she is really driven and she's really dedicated to doing what is best for kids and doing what is best for her students. So we just want to tell you, Christina, that we think you're doing an amazing job and thank you so much for all the work that you have done up to date for your kids and all the amazing things that we know you're going to do going forward. Just a reminder, parents, about a few upcoming events. Don't forget about Open House. Open House is going to be next Monday, September the 9th. It's going to start at 5. And at Open House, we're going to be giving out midterms. We're also going to have some information about Grandparents' Day. And we're going to have a meeting for parent involvement. And then at 6:30, we're going to have a Washington, D.C. trip meeting for those 8th grade parents who are interested. Of course, don't forget, students, parents, staff, that Monday is Labor Day. Tuesday, we have an admin meeting, a math vertical team meeting after school, and girls basketball team versus East Carter at home. Also, the dental van will be at SMS on Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, we're going to have girls basketball here versus Bath County, and Wednesday, we're going to have football at the high school versus Paris. So also want to wish luck to the SMS academic team as their first match against Robertson County is at home also on Thursday. MSU Field Experience students will be here for the first time on Thursday this week. And on Friday, just a couple things that are going to be upcoming for Friday. If you haven't done so already, students and staff, and you wish to purchase an additional Can Will Must shirt in a different style, please make sure that you have your money turned in by Friday of this week. And also coming up really soon is Fan Cloth. If you wish to purchase a shirt or an apparel item from Fan Cloth, then those orders are due by September the 11th. Kona Ice is also going to be in the building on Friday for break. So students, if you wish to purchase a Kona Ice, please make sure that you bring a little bit of extra money with you. And just to give parents a brief rundown about fundraisers, all fundraisers that we highlight on the Cougar Connection go for something that we call student incentives through the Student Enhancement Committee or the Student Enhancement Fund. So if you have had your student bring home one of these, this is a Cougar Pride card. These are little cards that teachers give out to students. They're 2-ply. They give them out for students that they see demonstrating the Can Will Must attitude or for keeping the Cougar promise. So ask your students about these. They can take the white copy and cash those in for an a la carte item at lunch, or they can take the white one and cash it in for a Kona Ice. Also, we have some Cougar Pride cards, postcards that go home to parents. And parents, if you haven't received one of these yet, be on the lookout. And if you shout out to us on social media with the hashtag Can Will Must with your Cougar Pride postcard, then students, you can get a free Kona Ice on Fridays. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.